Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the One Belmont building. Now this building is practically complete. There you can see it. The building is actually fully occupied. All 9 floors, the building is 9 floors. The first 4 floors is for parking, and then the other 5 floors is commercial space. And those 5 floors for the commercial space are fully occupied. And all the tenants should move in by 2024, this year. Now the building is practically complete. All the infrastructure, everything is in. It's just for the tenants now to build out the office space as to how they want it. And we are actually showing you, this is the ground floor. So this 9-story tower covers 78,800 square feet and boasts 310 parking spaces. It has a very modern design, and we're going to show you the building soon. We're just asking the security if we can go inside, but he said we couldn't because only the tenants are allowed inside. So we're going to just come out and show you what the building looks like from outside. And this building is done by Cygnus Real Estate Finance, and it costs 3.7 billion. And the good news is it is fully occupied. All the rentable space has been rented. Now, a lot of buildings are going up. A lot. And people often ask, who is renting all these buildings? Well, we don't have the list of the tenants. They haven't made that public yet. But the good thing is they're being rented. Because this one is 9 floors. You have another one over at 58 Halfway Tree, which is 10 floors. You have the Ascent just across the road from here at 27 floors. You have so many office buildings going up. Now we're going to show you the building from another angle now, so you can see just how artistic it is. So this building, 9 floors, 3.7 billion to build. It's located in New Kingston, actually off Oxford Road, and it has 4 levels of parking. Now, the top floor has a double height ceiling. So you've heard many people say, although the building is 9 floors, it's actually taller than 9 floors. That's because the average height for a building, the ceiling is probably 20 feet. But the lobby of this building has a 30-foot ceiling, and the penthouse has a double height ceiling for the top floor. So it's actually, the total rentable space is 78,800 square feet, or 78,789 square feet. And each floor has 15,758 square feet. So each tenant will then build out the unit that they rent how they want. So that's why they say it's practically complete. The floors are built, everything is built with the building. It's just for the tenants to fix it now. So the first 4 floors are the parking, and then the next 5 floors are the office space. And this building is going to have a LED strip on the outside. And the name of it is the One Belmont Tower. And this is actually just one of many projects that Cygnus Real Estate is doing. They're actually going to do another one further up from here on Lady Musgrave Road. But as they give more details on that one, we will let you know. It's going to be across from the One Belmont building. So here you can see a very nice view of the building. We're actually going to come back out here at night so you can see what the building is going to look like with the LED lights. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We'll keep you guys updated on this building. We'll give you updates every 2 weeks. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this building and the fact that it is fully occupied, meaning all the rentable space is rented. Alright guys, have a good day.